This is elevator 11, entrance elevator at the Nash Library at Gannon University in Erie, Pennsylvania. There's two entrances to this library. Each entrance has this Garaventa Elvoron Lula elevator. Very interesting. Installed in the library renovations in, I think, 2017. Got the one. I already recorded the car 12 at the other entrance. Now I'm doing this one. It's exactly the same now. Doors taking a bit to close. There we go. The door is taking forever to close. Probably not gonna even bother watching the door close when I end the video. It's gonna do this again. Buttons are lobby and 1, the indicator 1 and 2. Creaky. Oh, the beep doesn't beep, or the beeper doesn't work. Here are 1, or the according to the indicator 2. I think the interlock for the door behind me just engaged. Back to the lobby. Come on. This door better not be super slow either. Really? Yeah, didn't do this before. I know I've ridden this car in the past. I don't know what Schindler's done to this thing. It's a basic cab. It's a newer cab, obviously. It's a newer elevator. Spotlighting, Garaventa elevator. Here back to the lobby, only 30 feet a minute, but the doors take longer than the elevator. They're the very slow door closes, and that's going to be it.